is Rachael Griffith. I am the owner and managing partner of Griffith Law Office in Tyler, Texas. I practice primarily in family law, and today I want to talk about the standard possession order in Texas. You hear the phrase standard possession order all the time. Some people refer to it as SPO, but what is it and why is it? It's the parental presumption, so that everybody, until proven otherwise, is presumed to act in their child's best interest. So every parent is presumed to at least get the standard possession order, periods of possession with their children in the case of a divorce or a custody situation where the co-parents live in different houses. What is the standard possession order? It is scheduled times where the parent will have possession of the children based on the distance between the residences of the parents. So right now in 2026, the Texas legislature has updated the schedule to provide that if you live under 50 miles, you operate during the school year every single Thursday from school pickup until school drop off Friday morning. And then on first, third, and fifth weekends, school pickup Friday, drop back off to school Monday morning. That's if you live within 50 miles and that's your weekend period of possession. You also will get every other spring break from the time school dismisses until it resumes. You split up the holidays with Thanksgiving and Christmas, every other Thanksgiving break. You get the first part of Christmas break 1 year up to December 28th at noon, and then the second part of the Christmas break the next year. So it alternates with those holidays. Dads always get Father's Day weekend, moms always get Mother's Day weekend. And then you'll have some extended visitation in the summer. When you live under 50 miles, it's 30 days in the summer. If you don't designate your 30 days by April 1st, you'll have the month of July 1st through 31st. And the other parent has the right to take away one of your weekends in the summer so they can have a long break with the child, and then one weekend during your 30 days. That, in a nutshell, is the standard possession order if you live under 50 miles. If you live 50 to 100 miles, you have the right to elect those school pickup and drop-offs if you can make that work with your schedule. Otherwise, those pickup times default to 6 p.m. instead of at the school. And then if you live over 100 miles, there's a few different options for you. You can elect to do the first, third, and fifth weekends, or you can say, hey, I live so far away, I'm going to elect 1 weekend a month, and I'm going to give you 14 days notice on which weekend that is. So you can pick whatever you're able to accommodate there, and the language in your order should spell out how to do that. And the only other difference for over 100 miles, two things, would be you get every single spring break because it's presumed that you'll probably be doing less weekends because of the distance, and so they want to accommodate more time for you. And usually we handle that with school breaks. So you'll get every single spring break, and you'll get 42 days in the summer instead of the 30 days. And so that gives you a little more time with your child and helps even out the times that you're missing because you live super far away. That, in a nutshell, is the standard possession order. And if you're going to fight in court about times with the children and you want to argue that the court should deviate from the standard possession order, you have to show the best interest to the child. So if you're wanting a 50-50 schedule, week on, week off, some variation of a 50-50 schedule, a 2-2-3 where one parent has Monday, Tuesday, the other has Wednesday, Thursday, and then you alternate weekends, then you need to argue to the court, why is that in your child's best interest? Is it what you're used to? Is it what you've been doing since you've separated? Is it working well? There are things that you need to show to the court so that they have enough grounds to deviate from the standard possession order. It's hard to split up time with children. It's hard to not be in the same home with them all the time, but at the end of the day, they need stability. They need a good schedule to follow. Their school life needs to be stable. And so finding a schedule that works with your family where both parents can be frequently involved in the child's life and have access to the child and spend good time with the children, then that's ultimately what's in the best interest of your children. You can always reach out to our office if you have questions about your schedule or if you want to really plan a custom schedule for yourself and try to negotiate that through your case. Thank you guys for watching these videos. If you have any other questions about family law or your case, you can always call our office. Check out our Facebook and our Instagram. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Please follow and subscribe for more family law information.